secrets hotel staff hide from you? Do you prefer staying in hotels, hostels, or a private apartment while traveling? Hotel managers all around the world keep quiet about a lot of things. Here are some brilliant tips that will help you save money and have the best vacation ever. For instance, do you know how to cancel the reservation at the last moment without a fine? This one is the best trick ever. Everyone should learn it. Watch our video to figure out all of the tricks. 10. Book a room 1 or 2 days before check-in. The prices for hotels can change every day, and it all depends on the season and upcoming events. We used to think the earlier we book the room, the better. However, it isn't always so. Sometimes, the price might be $100 when you check it 20 days before arrival, and 2 days before arrival, it's only $50. That happens because hotel managers reduce the price in the last minute to fill all the rooms. Therefore, if you book a room closer to your arrival, you'll save up to 50%. 9. If you don't like your room, you can change it for free. For example, you booked a room with a view of the sea, but you get a view of a building site. You have the right to demand the room you originally ordered. Go and ask the hotel manager to fix the situation. If you don't like the room for subjective reasons, located on the upper or lower floor, you can also ask a change of room. In this case, you should ask politely, don't demand. If there are vacant rooms, the hotel staff will show them to you. Don't worry, you won't pay any additional fees for changing rooms. 8. Choose a hotel by its ratings, not by the number of stars. Sometimes, the number of stars actually means nothing. A 3-star hotel can be much better and even cozier than a 5-star hotel. So read the reviews before you book a room. Keep in mind that people usually write negative comments much more willingly. Therefore, pay attention to those nuances mentioned by the majority. Read as many reviews as possible, and don't trust only 1 or 2 opinions. 7. You can take the shampoo and other cosmetic products with you. Do you like those tiny bottles of shampoo and shower gel in a hotel bathroom? Then take them with you. Let's admit, almost everyone loves them as they are handy while traveling. Don't think you are doing something wrong. After all, that's the reason why the hotel staff puts these disposable things in your room. However, it only applies to cosmetic products, and it's better to leave the towel and bathrobe in the room. 6. Concierges with the Golden Keys pin can answer any question. Yes, they know everything about the hotel and even much more. They can get you a ticket for a concert or help organize a guided tour. Concierges with such pins are members of a particular public organization called Les Clefs d'Or. Don't be shy to ask them for whatever you need. They will gladly help you. 5. Book discounted rooms directly with the hotel. Every hotel wants to sell as many rooms per day as possible. Therefore, they pay a fee to different sites and offer them certain rooms. And you don't get the best rooms at a discount. Call the hotel directly and say that you found their discounted room on another website and want to book it. The hotel staff will most likely offer you a better room because, in this case, they won't have to pay fees to the search site. 4. Photos of a hotel can differ from reality. Let us say you book a room in advance and go on a vacation with no worries. You expect to get some luxurious room with soft light, but when you arrive, you see a tiny room with a half-ruined bedside table and the smallest bed you've ever seen. To avoid this annoying situation, search for the hotel photos on the internet. Guests often post real pictures of their rooms and the hotel itself. Don't always trust the photos hotels post on their websites. They show only the best angle and hide the disadvantages. 3. Check the minibar. Always check a minibar in your room after check-in. A minibar is a magic chest containing different delicacies at crazy prices. Let's be honest, sometimes the prices are incredibly high. To avoid wasting money for someone else's pleasures, make sure all the bottles are closed. After all, the previous guests could easily have had a drink and poured tap water into the bottle instead. It happens, alas. 2. Read the contract before leaving your car on site. The agreement usually states that the hotel is not responsible for cars parked on site. You need to know about it in case any accidents happen with your car in the hotel's parking lot. So, don't forget to turn on the car alarm and remove all valuable items from your vehicle before leaving it. 1. How to cancel a reservation and not pay a fine for it. Have you ever canceled the reservation at the last moment before check-in? Like an hour or a day before? Then you know that canceling the reservation at the last minute might cost some fee. Usually, it's equal to the price for one night. So, instead of canceling the reservation immediately, ask to move it to a week ahead. Then call your hotel the next day and cancel it. Tricky, right? But it will help you save money and change your plans without any extra cost.